Welcome to Error Genie. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix Black Ops 6 server disconnected error on Steam. Your profile has been signed out. Let's get started. Step 1. Change your Steam download region. Open Steam and click on the Settings option. Navigate to Downloads in the menu. Locate Download region and select a region close to your location. Example: if you're in the US, choose a nearby state. If you're outside the US, select a nearby country. Save the changes and relaunch the game. This simple change often resolves server connection issues tied to regional settings. Step 2. Clear Steam download cache. Still in Steam settings, go to Downloads. Click on Clear Download Cache. This removes temporary files that could be causing connection errors. Restart Steam and try launching Black Ops 6 again. Step 3. Verify integrity of game files. Go to your Steam library and find Call of Duty, Black Ops 6. Right-click the game and select Properties. Click on the Installed Files tab, then choose Verify integrity of game files. This checks for corrupted or missing files and replaces them automatically. Once completed, relaunch the game and see if the issue persists. Step 4. Update DNS settings. On your Windows device, type Network Connections in the search bar and open it. Right-click your active network connection, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and choose Properties. Scroll to Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter. Preferred DNS server 1.1.1.1, alternate DNS server 1.0.0.1, click OK, close the settings, and restart your computer. Step 5. Flush DNS cache. In the Windows search bar, type Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. Enter the following command and press Enter. Copy code ipconfig/flushdns. This clears any outdated or corrupted DNS cache. Restart Steam and try the game again. Final thoughts. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server disconnected error and get back to playing Black Ops 6. If this video helped, please like it, subscribe to Error Genie, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!